A banana looks simple, soft, sweet, easy to eat. But the moment you take your first bite, your body begins an extraordinary biological process. One that involves your brain, muscles, digestive organs, bloodstream, and trillions of microscopic cells working together in perfect coordination. This isn't just eating, it's chemistry, it's electrical signaling, it's cellular engineering happening in real time. Let's go inside the human body and watch what really happens when you eat a banana. The process begins even before the first bite. As you peel the banana, your brain activates. Sensory regions process its color and smell. The motor cortex prepares your hand and jaw muscles. Salivary glands receive signals to begin producing saliva. Your digestive system is already preparing. Then comes the first bite. Your teeth break the banana into smaller pieces. This is mechanical digestion. Your tongue moves the food into position while powerful jaw muscles contract with precision. At the same time, saliva coats the banana. Saliva isn't just moisture. It contains enzymes, including amylase, which immediately begins breaking down carbohydrates into smaller sugar molecules. The banana, rich in natural starches and sugars, starts chemically transforming within seconds. Once chewed into a soft mass, called a bolus, swallowing begins. Muscles in the throat coordinate in a perfectly timed reflex. The airway closes to protect your lungs. The bolus enters the esophagus, a muscular tube connecting your throat to your stomach. Now peristalsis begins. Wave-like muscle contractions push the banana downward in a smooth, controlled motion. You don't feel it, but dozens of nerves and muscle fibers are firing in sequence. Within seconds, the banana reaches the stomach. The lower esophageal sphincter relaxes just enough to allow entry, then closes tightly to prevent reflux. Inside the stomach, the environment changes dramatically. Powerful muscles begin churning. Gastric glands release hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes. Although bananas are not high in protein, stomach acid helps sterilize and break down the food further. The banana transforms into a thick semi-liquid mixture called chyme. This process can take 1 to 2 hours. The stomach doesn't simply dump everything into the intestines. Instead, it releases small, carefully measured amounts through the pyloric sphincter into the small intestine. And this is where absorption truly begins. In the duodenum, bile from the liver and enzymes from the pancreas mix with the chyme. Carbohydrates are broken down into simple sugars, mainly glucose. As the mixture moves deeper into the small intestine, the inner surface reveals millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. On each villus are even smaller structures called microvilli. This creates an enormous surface area, roughly the size of a tennis court, designed for maximum nutrient absorption. Glucose molecules pass through intestinal cells and enter tiny capillaries. From there, they travel through the portal vein directly to the liver. The liver acts as a metabolic control center. Some glucose is stored as glycogen for later use. Some is released back into the bloodstream to maintain stable blood sugar levels. From there, the heart pumps this nutrient-rich blood throughout your entire body. Glucose reaches your muscles, where it enters cells and travels to mitochondria, the tiny power plants of your cells. Here, it is converted into ATP, the molecule that fuels movement, posture, and strength. Glucose also crosses into the brain. Unlike many tissues, the brain depends heavily on glucose for energy. Within minutes, neurons use this fuel to maintain focus, memory, and cognitive performance. Meanwhile, potassium from the banana plays a crucial role. It helps regulate heartbeat. It supports nerve signaling. It maintains fluid balance inside and outside your cells. Your kidneys carefully filter and balance these electrolytes to keep everything stable. Fiber from the banana continues traveling into the large intestine. There, it supports beneficial gut bacteria and promotes smooth digestion. This contributes to long-term digestive health. But like all foods, balance matters. Eating too many bananas in a short period may temporarily raise blood sugar levels, especially if they are very ripe. In sensitive individuals, excess potassium could stress the kidneys or affect heart rhythm. Rarely. Some people may experience mild digestive discomfort or allergic responses. However, for most healthy individuals, a banana provides steady energy, essential nutrients, and digestive support. All of this, from the first bite to cellular energy production, happens silently, automatically, and continuously. Every chew triggers electrical signals. Every swallow activates coordinated muscle waves. Every molecule absorbed fuels billions of cells. A banana may seem simple, but inside your body, it activates one of the most sophisticated biological systems on Earth. Digestion, absorption, circulation, energy production, balance, all in perfect synchronization. The next time you eat a banana, remember, you are not just having a snack. You are activating an entire internal universe, a living, breathing network of organs, tissues, and cells working together in real time.